Hello and a very warm welcome. Today we're starting a wonderful digital adventure together. We'll set up your very own email account, step by step, nice and slow, no rush, no pressure, just simple, clear guidance. Email is like a digital post office, helping you connect instantly with loved ones. By the end, you'll have a new skill and the confidence to use it. Let's get started. What is email? Imagine a mailbox, but on your computer or phone. This digital mailbox is your email account. Email lets you send and receive messages instantly, anywhere in the world. Instead of mailing paper letters, you type and send with a click. Your email address is like your home address, but for the internet. All your messages are stored safely in your inbox, easy to find whenever you need them. Email is a fantastic tool for staying connected with family and friends no matter where they are. Share photos, send greetings, and keep relationships strong, all from home. You can easily exchange important documents and information, making life simpler. Organize your schedule, set reminders, and never miss an important date. Email opens doors to online shopping, hobbies, and new communities. Your gateway to a more connected world. Choosing an email provider is like picking your digital post office. Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail are all great options, each with a unique look, but all easy to use. The most important thing is to find one that feels comfortable for you. If your family uses a certain provider, it can be easier to get help. All major providers offer plenty of storage and strong security, so let's pick one and start your digital adventure. For our tutorial, I recommend we use Gmail. It's popular, easy to use, and has a clean, simple design, perfect for beginners. With Gmail, you also get access to Google's other tools like Calendar, Photos, and Drive, all with one login. Gmail keeps your inbox safe from spam and scams, so you can focus on messages from friends and family. Plus, it's easy to find help if you need it, and your family likely already uses it. That's why we'll use Gmail to set up your new email account today. Let's get started. Let's take our first step, opening your web browser. A web browser is the program that lets you visit websites like Gmail. Look for icons like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox on your desktop or taskbar. Move your mouse pointer to the icon and double-click quickly. Click, click. When the browser opens, you'll see a new window. Congratulations, you've opened the door to the internet. Great job. Let's get your browser to the Gmail homepage. At the top, find the address bar, a long white box. Click inside, type www.gmail.com and double-check for any mistakes. Press enter. Your browser will load the Gmail page. You've arrived. Now you're ready to create your email account. Great job. We've reached the Gmail homepage. Great job. Now look for the bright blue Create Account button and give it a confident click. Select for personal use since this email is just for you. Enter your first and last name in the boxes provided. Next, fill in your date of birth and choose your gender. Double check your details, then click. Next to continue. You're doing wonderfully. Now it's time to choose your unique Gmail address, your username. Try combining your name with a number, like your birth year, to make it unique and easy to remember. Next, create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it down and keep it safe. Click Next to continue. To keep your account secure, add your phone number as a safety net. If you forget your password, Google sends a code to your phone so you can get back in. Enter the code from your phone on your computer screen to confirm it's really you. That's it! You're all set and ready to use your new Gmail account. Congratulations! Welcome to your new inbox. Let's make it feel like home. The first thing you'll see is a welcome email from Google. Before exploring, let's add a profile picture so friends and family recognize you. Click the colored circle with your initial in the top right corner. In the menu, click the camera icon to add a photo. You can upload a favorite picture or use your webcam to take a new one. Adjust the photo as you like, then click Save as Profile Picture. Now your friendly face appears at the top of your screen. This small touch makes your inbox feel personal and welcoming. Every time you sign in, you'll be greeted by your own smile. Let's take a quick tour of your inbox. The center of your screen shows your message list, where all emails appear. Unread emails are bold. Click any message to read it. On the left, you'll find folders, inbox for new mail, sent for messages you've sent, and drafts for unfinished emails. Gmail automatically saves drafts, so you never lose your work. The big, colorful Compose button at the top left lets you start a new email. Remember, message list in the center, folders on the left, Compose button at the top. Explore these areas to get comfortable. You've now toured your digital mailbox. You're ready to start communicating. It's time to send your first email. Click the Compose button in the top left corner. A new window appears. This is your blank email. In the To field, type the recipient's email address carefully. Next, add a clear subject line like "My first email." Click in the large box below to write your message. Share a story, say hello, or just practice. Take your time and write what you like. This is your digital voice. Use it. When you're ready, review your message. You're almost ready to send. Review your email for mistakes and make sure the address and subject are correct. When you're happy, find the blue Send button at the bottom and click it. The Compose window will close and you'll see a confirmation. Message sent. Congratulations! You've sent your first email. Check your sent folder to see your message at the top. You've learned to open a browser, create an account, and send a message. This is a big achievement. Be proud. With practice, emailing will become second nature. Keep sending messages to build your confidence. You did it. What a wonderful accomplishment. Let's finish with an important habit. Security. Always sign out when you're done, especially on shared computers. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. In the menu, select Sign Out or Log Out. This locks your account and protects your privacy. Signing out won't delete anything, it just keeps your emails safe. After signing out, you'll return to the Gmail sign-in page. Make this a habit every time you finish checking email. It's a simple step for peace of mind. You're now a responsible and secure email user. And just like that, our time together comes to a close. I want to extend my warmest and most sincere congratulations to you. Today you have accomplished something truly wonderful. You have stepped bravely into the digital world and created your very own email account. You have learned how to navigate the internet, how to create a secure account, how to personalize your space, and how to send and receive messages. This is more than just learning a new technical skill. It is about opening a brand new door to communication, connection, and countless new possibilities. You have given yourself a powerful gift, and you should feel incredibly proud of your achievement. Think back to when we first started. The idea of setting up an email might have felt daunting or even a little scary, but look at you now. You have faced the challenge head-on, step by step, and you have succeeded beautifully. This accomplishment is a testament to your willingness to learn and your ability to adapt. You have proven that it is never too late to learn something new, and that technology is not something to be feared, but a tool that can be mastered. The confidence you have gained today will serve you well as you continue to explore all the wonderful things the internet has to offer. You are now officially an email user. This new email account is your personal gateway to staying closer to the people you love. You can now receive photos of your grandchildren's latest adventures in an instant. You can reconnect with old friends who live miles away and share memories with them. You can easily manage appointments, receive newsletters from your favorite clubs, and coordinate family gatherings with ease. The distance that may have separated you from loved ones has suddenly become much smaller. Your world has expanded, and you are now more connected than ever before. This is the true magic of what you have learned to do today. I hope this guide has made the process feel simple, manageable, and even enjoyable. My goal was to demystify technology and show you that it can be a friendly and accessible tool for everyone, regardless of age or previous experience. Remember the feeling of success you have right now. Carry it with you. You are capable, you are smart, and you have just taken a giant leap forward. Celebrate this milestone. Perhaps you can even use your new skills to send an email to a friend and tell them all about your wonderful accomplishment. You've earned it. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a final thought. This is not an ending, but a beginning. Your journey into the digital world is just getting started, and your new email account is your passport. At first, things might still feel a little new and unfamiliar, and that is perfectly normal. The key to becoming truly comfortable with email is to use it. Don't be afraid to practice. Send emails to your family and friends. Ask them to write back to you so you can get used to seeing new messages appear in your inbox. The more you use it, the more it will become a natural and easy part of your daily routine. As you get more confident, don't be afraid to explore. Click on the different folders and settings to see what they do. You might discover features we didn't even cover, like how to create contact lists or how to attach a document to your message. Remember, you can't break anything by simply looking around. Every click is a learning opportunity. If you ever feel stuck or have a question, don't hesitate to ask for help. Your family and friends, especially the younger generation, are often delighted to share their knowledge. You can also find countless friendly guides and videos online, just like this one. Remember the simple security rule we learned? Always sign out when you are finished, especially on a public computer. Protecting your privacy is just as important as learning to send a message. Keep your password written down in a safe and secret place where only you can find it. These simple habits will ensure that your experience with email is always safe, positive, and worry-free. You are in control of your digital mailbox, and you have the knowledge to keep it secure. This empowers you to use your new tool with confidence and complete peace of mind, which is absolutely essential. Thank you so much for allowing me to be your guide on this incredible adventure. It has been an absolute pleasure to walk alongside you as you took these important first steps. I am so excited for you and for all the new connections and experiences that await. Keep learning, stay curious, and enjoy your wonderful new ability to communicate with the world. You have done a fantastic job, and I wish you all the best on your continued journey. Happy emailing, and congratulations once again on your amazing success.